Welcome back to the Chic Show. Today we're embracing the beauty of spring without breaking the bank. Get ready for some inexpensive spring decor ideas. Today's playlist is hosted by Amanda, Katie, and Amber. I'll have their channels linked in the description box below along with the playlist. I started by removing the covers of 3 thrift store paperback books. I tried to choose similar sizes and similar page colors. I'll also be using one of these wall stickers from Dollar Tree. First, I'm just using a glue stick to glue all 3 books together. Made sure to put the plain one on top. Now I'm using one of the wall stickers and I'm going to be placing it on the spine of the books, and it will also extend over to the front and the back. Once the sticker was in place, I used a box cutter and I cut between the books so that I could split that sticker. I tried to burnish the sticker down a little bit with my fingernails in between the books. I'm using some of these peg stamps that I got from Amazon, and I'm going to be stamping a different word on each book. Now I'm going to embellish my books with some greenery and a ribbon. This is just some greenery that I had on hand. I'm going to be wrapping the stem with some jute twine. Now I'm using this piece of ribbon and I'm just going to tie a knot around the books, and then I will add the greenery. Let me know in the comments how you like this inexpensive spring look. For this inexpensive spring decor piece, I'm using this thrifted frame that I got at a local thrift shop, and I'm going to be removing the backing and I'm going to be removing the mat. I decided to use the backing to add these IOD birds to. I really liked the patina on the paper, and I absolutely love this vintage frame. This is not only inexpensive, but also very easy. And the IOD transfers are pricey if you look at the entire book, but when you look at how many you're actually getting, this is probably less than $1 for this transfer. I added my transfer and the backing back into the frame, and this project was complete. So far, I've included the flowers. Now I'm including the feathers, and now it's time for the frog for this inexpensive spring decor idea. For this project, I'm using one of Dollar Tree's mason jar chunky wood pieces, and I've removed the paper off the front, and I'm going to give it a coat of Waverly chalk paint in Fern. Now I'm going to give these two wood eggs from Dollar Tree 2 coats of white chalk paint. These are going to be our frog's eyes, so I'm using a cork to draw a circle at the rounder bottom part of the egg. I'm going to color in the eyes with this black paint pen. I'm going to hot glue the frog's eyes on, and then I'll work on his mouth. I used a pencil to draw on a silly smile, and then I used the black paint pen again to go over it. I'm using 2 wood cutouts from, I believe, Dollar Tree to embellish the frog. This is a mushroom, and I'm just going to give it a coat of truffle chalk paint, and then I'll keep working with different colors of paint until I get the look I'm looking for. I also used this Hello Spring sign from that same package. I believe they're from Dollar Tree, but they might have been on clearance at Hobby Lobby. Anywho, I gave it a coat of yellow paint. Now that I've got the color I'm looking for the mushroom, I'm going to go back and use my yellow to tie in the yellow from the Hello Spring sign. I'm ready to glue these 2 pieces down, and that will complete our friendly little frog. Hope you've enjoyed these inexpensive spring decor ideas, and I know that you will love the playlist, so be sure and check out all the host channels in the description box below and all the talented creators on the playlist. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to share the chic. Bye now.